Good day, my name is Christian, and in this opportunity, I am going to do step 4 of the task all about me. My personal information. My name is Christian Pineda. I am 23 years old. I was born in Bogota. I currently work as an archive assistant and study visual arts at UNAD. I am single, I don't have children, and I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. My daily routine: at 6:30 a.m. I wake up. At 7:30 a.m. I leave for work. I arrive at the company at 8 o'clock a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I continue with my work tasks. At 2 p.m. I study. At 6:30 p.m. I have dinner. Finally, at 10:30 p.m. I ready for bed. Describing actions and clothes. In the picture see, what is she doing? She is talking on the phone, she is listening, and she is working in a office. What is she wearing? She is wearing a light green shirt. In the picture F, what are they doing? They are cooking, they are smiling, and they are in the kitchen. What are they wearing? The woman is wearing a gray and black shirt, and the man is wearing a light blue shirt.